Hey everybody, so I'm going to show you a little text-to-image generative AI in Adobe Firefly. So here we are in firefly.adobe.com. I see text-to-image, I just hit generate. It opens me up to the gallery page where you can see all the different kind of styles. Then there is the what do you want to generate area at the bottom left, where I can paste in my prompt. Bit of a surreal one, and then I hit generate, and then it generates 4 different images. Kind of wish it had the aspect ratio option in the beginning, because it always defaults to square, and I usually like widescreen. But here I have hopefully set to art. Oh, that's an interesting one. I like this one. So I can just hit download, and I can do more with my image as well. But I can say art, and I can now switch it to widescreen over left in the aspect ratio. If I had a reference image under structure, I could upload that image. So if I had a particular image for this Asian blue egg hand with a woman's head, I could bring in that sketch as an exact reference. And then there's visual intensity. This time I think I'll pull it to the right. So I pull it over to the right. And then under effects, I think I'm kind of fine with what it is. I'm just going to hit generate, and now it'll do a widescreen version of this prompt. Pretty fast. That's pretty cool. I like it with the snake. This one's very nice. Yeah, a few of them are pretty nice. So it's a larger view. I click on it to get the bigger view. I can hit download top right, and then I go to the left. I can also access generative fill or generate similar. And then if I go to the bottom right, you see this icon. If I click there, I can submit to gallery. So I can submit with my name to the Adobe Firefly gallery where other people can view it. They can also use it and remix it and like it. So submitting the image. Come on, pretty quick. And then I also like this one. So go to the top right, download, and then bottom right, submit to gallery with my name. As you can see, it's pretty easy to just put in your prompt right here in the bottom middle. You can change the aspect ratio, top left. There is an option to change the model, but I think Firefly Image 3 model is best. And structure references, style, intensity, or in reference as well, and then effects. So yeah, text to image in Adobe Firefly.